Hey, welcome back to more Pokemon Leaf Green. Yeah, last episode we pretty much got to the cave, yeah. So yeah, let's continue. Yeah, let's go. Fight you. I have a feeling we're gonna catch our third team member in this cave. Just a funny feeling we are. See if I can find him. Very no. Something better. No crap, I missed. Pause. Wow, I woke up right there. Look at that. Pause for absolutely nothing. My voice is sounding low. I'm not exactly feeling so well. I'm doing this video because I'm bored. Could be listening to music right now, but I don't feel it all morning pretty much. About 5 hours of it. Yeah. 11, it's about 3 o'clock, yeah. Yeah, 5 hours. It's a Zubat, yeah. Oh yeah, they're just like Leaf It Plus or something, I think. Really, truly, God don't know what they do when I'm not there. By they, I mean my brother and my mom. Okay. Yep, we got a rocket person. Okay, you're gonna throw out a sand slash. You're gonna go down one hit. I hope at least. Ooh, sand attack. Ooh, not good, not good. Yay. Crow level 16, yep. Switch, yep. Pain split, get out there. I'm glad that my team's really a high level now. This hack is pretty good, guys. You gotta admit, I did a good job in this hack. Even though it's like pretty much only routes, Pokemon, those things, you gotta admit, I'm doing a pretty good job in this hack. Oh my god. I really don't want to do this. Oh, I'm not really shouldn't be doing this. Yeah. We might actually have to make this a short video today. We're already almost 3 minutes in and I've only gotten like 2 trainers. Yeah, it does take true commitment. Wait, what am I doing? Pause. Sorry, I had to put on a repel. I did that off camera. Starpiece, yay! Those even sell for money. Purposes and crap. It's so much better than that. Oddly, I'm fine with. Ooh, not good, not good. If I cannot escape, ooh, I did. Nice. Change. We need Mankey. Mankey, get in there. I really don't think that you're a guy here. Ooh, yeah. You know what, guys? I'm gonna pause and go fight those trainers over there, so pause. During one of the battles, I grew level 16. Fury swipes. Let's learn it. Scratch. Don't sue me because I just taught it Fury swipes. Okay. See you after the next battle. Pause. Hey, we're healing. Congrats. See you in a minute. Okay, I found another little rocket man. Yay. I pretty much took a ladder and I found him. So let's discover some stuff in this floor, shall we, guys? Crap, you. I need to use that TM probably that Brock thing ugly face there. What's his face? Gave up. Brock. We're gonna play split, pain split, get to level 17 and we'll met Joe. Yeah, I think it's Joe. Can't even remember its name. Nah. Not gonna bother. Joe, yeah. It's J-O, not J-O-E. I discovered that when I searched it up, but I like J-O better. I'll name let's say let's just say I don't have a girlfriend. I'm not gonna say if I do, if I don't. But for now, let's say I don't. Let's see, there's trainers here. Trainers mean, you know what, guys? I'm gonna pause and fight straight. Okay, I'm back. Oh yeah, by the way, I found an item with some moonstone. Sorry there. Ooh, Paraz, good HM slave, but I have a better HM slave in mind. And he's not in this tunnel now. Okay, here we are. You get Team Rocket, it looks. Yeah, Team Rocket. Let's fight you. So I'm hoping that in this episode we will finish up the cave. I'm hoping still. Because you never know, these trainers could take some time. Here's what, pretty level 17 too, sweet. Yeah, but I'm glad that I have a fighting type already. He's gonna help me out in this game. Water gun. I win. Yay. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna put on a repel. Maybe that moonstone's the item I found there I was talking about. It wasn't insane. I decided to not make any wild Pokemon show up. If the Pokemon I want is in here, I will get him off screen. Next episode, soon we'll get in the City Gym. So yay. Ooh, I forgot to put Joe. Joe used to handle. The rest of this Joe place. The Joe place. The two members so far seems pretty high level. I already know what kind of ground type I'll be using. I don't know if I can get the ground type here. Wait. Yeah, I can, I think. I don't want to get members already. I'm gonna probably just stick with 3 members. Yeah, I forgot. There's a Fedora. Ah, damn it. You know what, guys? Pause. Okay, guys, here we are. We're fighting Super Nerd something. Hooray, Nerd. Hooray for missing this eagle. We might go a little bit over the 600 second mark. I don't know. Yeah, we might. Just a little bit over 10 minutes there. Oh yeah. Joe, you're level 17, yay. Fusion, yes. Forget what? Curse. 1, 2, 3, and poof. Yes, yes, yay. Oh Lord, yay. This old core could be a little bit of a pain. No, it actually won't. Never mind. Oh no. Nope. You're gonna handle this as well. Ooh boy. No. Pause and we'll come back when it's dead. And I killed it. Super Nerd. Yeah, that was really nice. I don't care. So let's just grab us a Helix fossil and get out of here. Damn it. Nope. I'll pause till I get out of this place. No, not. And that would have been helpful for that battle. Thanks, but I don't care. Because we are gone. Thank you all. Good night.